Good morning, all of you. Today we'll discuss chapter 1. The name of chapter is sets. So first we introduce in this chapter some definition related to the sets. Okay. So first definition in this chapter is set. Okay. So what is set? Set is a collection of objects. Set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, so what did you understand? Set is like a collection, like as a group. For example, we say that the set A is equal to our vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so this is a set, and every set represented by capital letter, and the members, the participant, the elements of the set is also represented in a small letter. If number is there, so number is not a small letter and capital letter, uppercase and lowercase, only our alphabet is there. Okay, so and must use the curly bracket when you represent a set. So this is set, and set like as a suppose collection of books of your subject is also a set. Collection of different items at your home, at your school, at other places, it is a set. Okay, so the second things in this chapter we will discuss types of sets. Okay, to types of set, the first type is a null set. The first type in the set is a null set. What is a null set? Yeah, what did you understand of a null set? Null means what? Empty. Null means what? Empty. Yeah, we can say that void, otherwise empty. Okay, empty, void, null. This is the similar meaning of the null set. Okay, zero means in mathematics we say that zero set. Okay, so what is the definition of the null set? A set contain no elements. A set contain no elements is called null set. Okay, so this is definition, and what is the example of this definition? For example, suppose this is a set A and no elements belongs between this set is called a null set. Okay, so phi, we represent this set with phi. Phi is a representation of null set, and phi is represent because in this set no other elements are there, so it is called a null set. The second set, the second definition of is a finite set. Finite, what is the meaning of finite? Finite means having a fixed value. Suppose in your family the number of the members have a fixed, we are counted it, otherwise it is infinite set. There are two types in this part, finite and infinite part. So first finite set, a set having contain finite number of elements is called finite set. For example, suppose this is a set and every set represented capital letter, and we are writing here the name of our Indian teams. Okay, Indian teams like as name Mohit, Rohit, Saurabh. Okay, so there are three names in this set. It is a fixed value. It is a fixed value, so it is called a finite set. Okay, understood? So we represent only three names. If we are represent here lot of names, we directly telling like that our Indian players. So Indian players obviously lot of names are there. So it is a obviously the opposite is an infinite set. Okay, so the next definition is infinite set is what? The same definition related to this. A set contain finite numbers, so it is finite. Okay, so you write in this definition a set contain infinite number of elements. Infinite matlab not a fixed value, not a fixed value. So this type of set is called infinite set. Okay, so I'm not writing the definition because the same definition of finite and infinite, only one thing is different, is that you are writing here infinite. Okay, so the same thing, examples we are taking, like examples of a natural number. Okay, n for natural number, and in this numbers we are starting 1 2 3 and so on infinity, and you know very well the numbers are not fixed, so we are counting 1 2 3 4 5 like this, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, million, 10 million, billion, 10 billion. Then after that the counting will be stopped, but the counting is not fixed. Okay, after 10 billion we count also 10 billion 1, 10 billion 2, and many more numbers are there. So similarly the example of infinite set is, suppose we are not counting the leaves of any tree, we are not counting the stars of our solar system. So this type of example is called of an infinite set, and finite set is a fixed value. Okay, so there are three types: null set, finite set, and infinite set. One more types is there, I explain here. So did you understand both of the three sets? Now second set is equal set. Equal set, obviously according to the name the meaning is clear. Obviously two sets are there and both are equal, then we call equal set. So how we will give the definition of the equal set? If two sets are equal number of elements and every element having same value is called equal sets. How? This is your definition. If two sets are equal number of elements and every element having a same value is called equal set. For example, suppose we have a set A and the value of this set is 1 2 3, and the another set of B is a value like is that 2 3 1, some different value. Okay, so here 1 2 3 is also there in the set A also and set B also. Yes, the order will be different, it doesn't matter. So if the counting of this set is how many elements, how many members in this set, there are 3 members, 3 elements, and we say that similarly sir is also 3. Okay, so both of the definition once again, if two sets are equal number of elements, first thing equal number of elements 1 2 3, yes 1 2 3, there are 3 elements in both of the set, and another thing is every element have a same value. Suppose 1 is there, so 1 is there, it doesn't mean there its order will be different. The one is the looking I write 1 2 3 and another one is 2 3 1. Okay, so don't worry. So this of the set is called equal set. So we like equal set is like this, A is equal to B, and suppose in this set you find the number of elements, so we represent number of A is equal to number of B, and both of the set have a same value, so it is called 3. Okay, so there are 4 types of set, also had other sets also, but in this video we are representing one thing is first null set, means no element, and finite set, number fixed value, infinite number, well, infinite sets not a fixed value, fourth one is equal sets. So I hope are you enjoying this class and understood this class. Thank you.